This is a tractor. It has 4 big wheels with chunky tires for driving over bumpy roads. A tractor is a big, strong vehicle that helps farmers do lots of different jobs on the farm. The front wheels can turn easily to go around corners. The tractor also has a powerful engine that can make other machines work, like a lawn mower or a planter. The exhaust pipe on a tractor is like a chimney that lets out the smoke and fumes from the engine. It can get really hot, so it's important not to touch it. Where do you think the driver sits on a tractor? Is it at the front or the back of the tractor? Can you drive the tractor around the farm? Drive past the farmhouse to pick up a packed lunch. How many sheep can you count? This is combine harvester. It cuts all kinds of crops grown on the farm and sorts the grain. The feeder of a combine harvester helps to pull the crops into the machine, while the cutter helps to cut the crops into smaller pieces. The grain tank in a combine harvester is used to store the grain. The seeds go in a big tank to save for later, and the rest comes out the back. The spreader is used to evenly distribute the chaff and straw. Combine harvesters can pick a lot of crops really quickly. Can you drive this combine harvester around the field? How many cows are in the field? Drive up and down in straight lines. A cattle lorry is a big truck that can hold lots of cows. It has a big trailer that can be divided into separate rooms for each cow. The lorry has special air vents to help the cows breathe and comfortable flooring so they don't slip or fall during the trip. The ramp on a cattle lorry is used to allow cows to safely and easily walk up into the trailer. Can you drive this cattle lorry to the market? How many ducks are in the pond? Slow down at the traffic lights. Red means stop. This is a horsebox. It is a big trailer that helps farmers move horses around. There's a ramp to walk the horse inside and some walls to keep the horse safe and comfortable during the journey. A saddle and bridle rack inside a horsebox is a storage area designed to hold the equipment needed to ride a horse. The box also has special fans and lights to keep the horse happy. Can you drive this horsebox to the show jumping competition? Look out for people on the zebra crossings. How many horses can you see? It is fun to know these vehicles in this video. You can make your own tracks and drive these vehicles on them. Thanks for watching. See you again.